That is the Salamanca house. Let's see how the progress goes today. I'm pretty secure that they will finish today. They've only been here a couple hours. They're almost done with the deconstruction of the roof. So, still a nice neighborhood. It's a nice day here in Florida. I think it's about 70 degrees, very, very sunny. As you can see, nice blue skies. You can see all the work that they've already done. I got here late, so they started without me, but they specifically said they don't need me to get the job started because they're going to be basically outside. You're probably questioning the roof actually looks good, right? Well, those little damaged parts of the plywood could potentially cause the shingle that's on the roof to lift up. In a really bad windstorm or when a hurricane blows through here in Florida, tornado, whatever, those shingles will lift up and it can cause that whole roof to come off, those shingles to come off the actual planks, wood planks, and could cause a lot of damage to the house. Besides the fact that those little damaged areas there can cause a leak in the house. One, when it starts leaking inside your house, can destroy your furniture. Number two, potentially can cause fires, so the water can spark electricity and can cause a fire in your home. You can see that area there, that is what's called the soffits. The soffits are basically ventilation holes, and they're ventilation into the attic or crawl space. If you notice, the roof is now missing. Here you could see the wood damage on the roof. So this is odd to look at Here is the roof line. The soffits, that's the rain gutters. Gutters catches the rain from the roof, and of course there is no more roof. You can see that big old hole, and there's the rotted wood. I'm just amazed at all of that. I just can't imagine that somebody was actually living here. Thought you might be interested in seeing the actual rotted wood. This is the plywood. If you notice, the color is just nice with the 2x4s. Here is the rotted wood. You could tell major discoloration. Now, yes, this is an old roof, probably over 30 years old, I forget, but you could tell all the damage that they're talking about. So that needs to be replaced. You could see now they've replaced all that plywood. Remember, there was rotten wood in that area. It's all brand new wood. Well, there's the roof. All nice and brand new. It's amazing they did that in 2 days. I hope you enjoyed that episode with the roof. I thought that was very, very interesting. If you have any comments, concerns, questions about this particular part of the Salamanca project, please leave it in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, obviously. Really appreciate all the comments. Looking forward to your comments and looking forward to your next video. Anyway, thank you and have a good day.